Hi guys, I'm Liz.
And I'm Jorge.
And welcome to our channel. Hi guys, it's Thursday morning. It's like 7:50-ish. Just waiting for Bubba's bus to get here. And
Eating sandwich?
he's eating a sandwich. Good job, Bubba. Let everybody know you're eating a breakfast sandwich. Right? Is it good? It's good? Good. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And Jorge's cleaning the house and vacuuming. He's such a good husband. I love him.
Cleaning the house?
Yeah, he's cleaning the house. Hi guys, so me and Jorge are sitting here on the couch taking a break.
Wait a minute, you showed me with a belly like this?
No, I did. It didn't even show that. You're tripping. I didn't even show that part. What, guys? He thinks I'm showing you his belly.
All right, guys.
Yo,
Stop that.
So we're sitting here. We were paying some bills together on the couch as a family, right? The kids are with their dad today. Unfortunately, I missed them already. And yeah, so me and Jorge have some I can't even talk. We have some quiet time together. And so we're just sitting here using that time to pay some bills together. And I don't know what else we're gonna do, but probably not too much. We went to the doctor today, and they said the baby looks good and everything. And she'll see me in 1 week. The same doctor is going to do the C-section. I chose her. I scheduled that doctor to do the C-section because she's really nice. All the other doctors there are I don't know, they got a weird vibe. I feel like they got an attitude or something. So, but this woman is so nice. So, yeah, we can't wait. Guys, look at how beautiful the sky is right now. Wow.
Hi.
Here's my husband. Put the fucking cards down. Here's a little bit of a better view, guys. Look at the sky. Look how pretty that is. Look at that.
Beautiful.
car sick. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
We're in Jorge's car now.
Jorge's car.
We're on our way to the car wash to clean his car. He just cleaned my van. And it looks squeaky, shiny, clean.
Yeah. Not by these people. These people, I just had an argument with them and they suck. So I apparently took this bad boy off. And you know where they belong? A company like this? Look.
Don't litter.
Baby.
Don't litter.
All right.
Here, give it to me. I'll throw it out.
Yeah, throw it out. That's where they belong. Garbage.
Ugh.
Mob wash is a chef. Mob wash.
Littering is bad, guys. Do not litter. Like my husband just tried to do.
Yeah.
I still can't believe this sky. Look how pretty that is. Wow. That is beautiful.
Bring our business to Mob Car Wash. There's the place, man. This is a beautiful place, and you know what they have? Graphene. What is that thing called, honey?
Yeah, graphene and ceramic or something.
Ceramic
like
and
that. I don't know.
graphene.
They got some high tech shit here.
So, the other car wash was talking about that they're the only one in town that's doing that kind of crap. No, Mob Wash is a real big company. So, members only.
Okay, so you might have to go to the other one.
He's guiding me, yeah. He's guiding me.
We're in the car wash, guys.
It smells like bubblegum.
I know, it smells good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, boy. Oh, my God!
Really?
That smells like the ceramic. Whatever.
I think this is where they spray the graphene on or whatever.
Here's the graphic.
It's because it's gonna look. No, this isn't it. Or wait, maybe it is. You can tell because it's got like a blackish tint to it.
Yeah. The graphic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least that's what it looked like when we brought the van in. I could have been imagining that though. I gotta look that up.
It looks a lot like my glass looks a lot more clean. I know that much.
Yeah.
The glass looks awesome.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that. Oh boy, that was amazing.
That was nice. That was nice. And you're in there for way longer too.
Yeah, so it feels like
that's why they don't need that fucking. They don't even need that's a good wash. That's why you don't even need the pressure washing.
Yeah, if it makes you feel like it's worth what you're paying for. You know, it gives you what you pay for.
you're getting what you're paying for.
You getting what? Yeah, you know what I mean. Yep.
We got it.
Yeah. Yep. You getting what you pay for.
And we got some nice motivational things here. Never give up. That's always nice to see. And then they give you an air freshener. Oh, and this one says never give up.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Never give up. Never give up or hey.
So yeah. And then they got, you know, all these vacuums. They got Windex and like rags that you can use. They got a little machine that you can put your rugs through. They got everything here. This place is like hooked the fuck up for real. It's freezing outside.
I wonder if I could put these mats there and then dry them.
I don't know.
Oh, boy.
Okay, guys. So me and Jorge.
Hold on.
Oh my God, we just had to do that.
Hold on, wait a minute. It's a little rough one, but there we go. Much better.
So I don't know if you guys can guess where we're at, but we're at the
Texas Roadhouse.
At the Texas Roadhouse, where we always got to eat. This is like this is like pretty much the only place we got to eat because it's the best.
It's the best of the best.
I don't know if you guys have a Texas Roadhouse where you're at, but if you do, you should go.
And let me tell you guys something. This is the last day that we have to come here because after today we won't have no more chances to come at least minimum for at least minimum 2 or 3 months from now. So today's our only day that we gotta come. Tomorrow
before the baby comes.
We pick up my wife's older son, so this place is expensive. So bringing a couple people, you know, it's kind of pricey. So think about something. Tomorrow Ethan comes, and then Saturday all the kids come, and then next week we have all the kids and the baby's coming. So
this is our last day.
Our last day. Either we came today or never.
Now or never.
Now or never.
This is our last date together with no children.
With no children. And of course, you guys can see. You guys can see a little bit of. Hold on, wait a minute. I could get that right. Hold on. I go like this, and there we go. Right there. See? That looks a lot better. There we go. Right there. Okay. And then I go like this. Of course, but look, check this out. Watch. For you guys, this is for you guys. Now I want you to remember one thing. Say stop, honey.
Stop.
Remember that card?
Okay.
Don't show me. But always like that card in your hand, alright? Watch this. If I just take the card like that, right? Watch this. Just like that. Now you remember your card?
Yeah.
Remember your card? You sure? I'll watch. Was it possible it was that 7 of clubs? No? It was not that 7 of clubs. I'll put that there. I'll walk there. I'll take it just like this. That right there turns there because here is a 7 of hearts, right? That 7 of hearts, wave it on top and it turns into a 7 of clubs. 7 of clubs, that leaves here the card you have chosen.
Yep, that's it.
Right? So that is,
as you guys can see, we're at the Willie Nelson table. We've never sat at this table before. But yeah, we're like in the corner. We're in Willie's corner. We're in Willie's mother effing corner up in this bitch.
And we like super tight in here, so guys, remember we like super tight in here. So
I kind of like the corner over here.
I like it too.
Because I can record you and not have to worry about like people in the background.
No.
Yep. Here's the baby bump. The baby bump's only gonna be here for another week, guys. And it's gonna be a baby, an actual baby. A boy or a girl, we don't know.
We don't know. We did that poll, and it came out. Came out to be that it is a boy.
I know, that's crazy.
84% boy, 16%, 15 or 16% that it was a girl.
That's crazy.
So I know, guys, that it is. I got a feeling that it is a boy. I'm the magician, so stay tuned for the next